Well, it's a scene that plays out thousands of times across the country every day. Patient speaking to a doctor about pain. That often ends in surgery. However, at Bluetail Medical Group, surgery isn't even an option. Instead, the doctors tap into your body's ability to heal itself, and it can. And here to tell us more is Dr. Chris Wolf. Welcome back to the program.
Well, thanks, Ken.
Glad you're here today. Let's talk a little about how you approach these arthritic, like arthritis can be addressed without surgery, right?
Yes.
How do you do that?
Well, you know, Kent, the body is just an amazing thing. It really has an amazing ability to heal itself. And what we're trying to do at Bluetail is harness that ability of the body, your own body, to stimulate that healing. People hear about these athletes getting these varied injections of their own body and getting back on the playing field. It's not just limited to athletes. You can use your own body's healing abilities to help with arthritis. And to a certain degree, there is a time and a place for surgery, but we want to try to push that time as far away as we possibly can if you don't need it at that time, and keep you active.
That's a very good point, as you know, because the surgery sometimes doesn't last forever. And if you were to get it when you're in your 30s and 40s, by the time you're in your 70s, some of that stuff can wear out, and that can be a problem.
Well, it certainly can, and it's not just that. You're in discomfort while you're waiting, trying to push off that surgery. Can we keep you doing the things you love? Maybe you want to go walk the dogs or play pickleball, get out in the community more without pain.
So you've been doing this for a while now, right?
We have. As a group, we've been doing this over 15 years.
Wow, so this is not brand new technology. You've had a lot of time to work on the techniques and perfecting it.
We have. We've done quite a few of these procedures through the years on all joints and all ages of patients.
And there's a research study that's being done on this, and you're involved in that?
There is, Kent. What we're trying to do is help expand the availability of this. So we're actually working with the FDA on this procedure. We have an investigational new drug trial using your own body trying to stimulate healing. So we're actually trying to get data to prove that this works. And our initial results are looking very good with this, but we want to make sure what we're doing is above board, basically. It's a accepted procedure, but also that we're actually getting the results that our patients have been telling us they're seeing and that we have been seeing.
I think a lot of people might be skeptical of this. How is my body going to heal itself? Remember, you have an immune system, and sometimes your immune system just needs a little help in curing your body, and that's the same thing, basically the same thing we're talking about here.
It really is. If you break your arm and we put it in a cast, that bone will heal, and bone and cartilage is really all a joint is. So we're trying to harness that and stimulate that healing process.
Thank you, Doctor. Appreciate that very much. For more information, check out the website at bluetailmedicalgroup.com, or call them at 636-778-2900, 636-778-2900.
Bluetail was out in front of this so far, I feel like, before anybody else in the area. They were talking about this a decade and a half ago. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it.